Hi Internet! Today's a good day. I got a ring at the doorbell and had some parts show up that weren't supposed to be in yet. Good morning! Dart parts. Yes. Watch my box, kitty. So in this order, I got new sets of super stock springs. They're a racing spring for the Dart. They're mopar performance, so they should hook good. And then in here, unboxing videos on YouTube. And here we have energy suspension polyurethane bushings to do all the bushings in the back of the car. I'm beyond excited. My car's needed leaf springs since I bought it like 9 years ago. Look, more car parts. Beans! Can install you in the car, huh? I don't need cats. Beyond stoked right now. Install my leaf springs right here. I had to install the bushings in first. Just want to show you how low this car is right now. The leaves are pretty wore out. They've been wore out since I bought the car, so should sit quite a bit higher than where it is now. No. No. That's not good. That was the last thing that I wanted to happen. Got the first leaf out. This new one, the Dart looks the same, but this one is just so wore out that it was sitting so flat. This new one should be much, much better. So they broke this bolt, so I don't know what, I'm gonna have to do some fixing. It's a piece, so I might have to weld in a bolt or something for this because it broke. Got the first leaf installed. It's not all the way done yet because I have another treat to add. A set of these that were given to me. Slapper bars. Hell yeah, brother. Got the traction bars set in there. I was going to put my wide ass wheels on, make sure that they clear, because right now I'm running a 295 5015 on this car and she's close to the leaf strings before, so just want to see if I can even run these slapper bars. So let's see. I have to trim up this slapper bar. It's hitting the tire right here. So I'm just going to cut that out right there. Front's okay. Just the back side. Just the back side. I'll do that on both sides just to make sure. I marked where I want it to sit. Stoked. Got that piece off. Now we're clear on the tire. I just gotta get the bolts to fix the other side. Don't like to go in dry, just like your mother. And I am using polyurethane bushing, so things a little tighter. Yeah, get in there nice and deep like. Alright, I finished installing the leaves and the cowl track, so let's Hopefully she don't sit so low like she used to. Oh yes, I can already tell. Oh, grr! Oh, that's a big difference. Oh, I'm so excited to drive my car. Yes. It's almost tucked. It's like that. Oh man, I'm so excited. All that work today was worth it. I broke a couple bolts, fixed some things. The lineups of the stores were ridiculous, but I got it done. Oh, yes. Look at that rake. Oh, it's so much better. So much better. I can lift the front end up so my header stopped dragging. Oh. So I guess that's it for today. Thanks. Love you. Bye. Oh, I promised burnouts. So let's see if we can get her to fucking smoke some tires today. Hell yeah, brother! Woo! That was a good one.
You're good. That was a good one. One more good smoky one.